In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favorites to quickly access coins on CoinMarketCap. If you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast or an investor tracking multiple coins, having a quick and easy way to access your favorite ones is a must. CoinMarketCap, with its extensive list of cryptocurrencies, makes it simple to track the performance of the coins you care about the most. Today, we'll walk through how to add these coins to your favorites list so you can have your go-to digital assets just a click away. First, make sure you're on the CoinMarketCap website. Fire up your web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for CoinMarketCap online, and hit enter. This will bring you to the homepage, where you'll find an overwhelming yet fascinating array of cryptocurrencies ranked by market capitalization. If you're not already signed in, this is a good time to do so, especially if you want to save your preferences and access them across different devices. Now, once you're at the homepage, the next step is to browse or search for the coins you want to add to your favorites. If you have specific cryptocurrencies in mind, you can use the search bar at the top right-hand corner of the screen to find them quickly. Simply type the name of the coin and a drop-down list of matching results will appear. Click on the one you want. Once you're on the page of the coin you wish to add, pay attention to the top of the screen around the coin's name and ticker symbol. You'll notice a star icon located there. This star is your gateway to creating a favorites list. Hover your mouse over the star icon and click it. When you click on the star, it turns yellow, indicating that the coin has been successfully added to your favorites. You can repeat this process for each coin you want to keep a close eye on. The beauty of adding coins to your favorites list is the quick retrieval process. It helps you stay updated with the coins that are most relevant to your interests or investments without having to scroll through the extensive list every time you visit the site. To view your favorites, navigate to the top menu, and if you're signed in, you should see an option for favorites, or sometimes simply the star icon itself without any description. Clicking here will take you to a personalized page with all the coins you've starred, neatly organized and ready for you to analyze or just check their latest movements. Adding favorites on CoinMarketCap simplifies tracking your preferred cryptocurrencies, making your research more focused and effective. Thanks for tuning in to learn about this feature. I hope it makes your crypto journey smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides in the world of cryptocurrency. Happy tracking!